Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and going straight to tab view so you can create a private session. This prevents stored history from the outset. On iPhone or iPad, tap the tabs icon. On Mac, use the tabs button or Shift Command \. Once you see your open windows, look for private or a private toggle. Enable it now to isolate browsing. This ensures cookies, history, and search records won't be saved for this tab while you continue setup. Once in tab view and private mode, open a new private tab to begin. On iOS, go to Settings Safari to enable block all cookies or toggle, prevent cross-site tracking to reduce fingerprinting. On Mac OS, choose Safari Preferences Privacy. Make sure to use a new private tab for sensitive tasks and do not sign into accounts if you want complete separation. These settings limit data leakage. Combine them with private tabs to keep To finish, close all private tabs or toggle private off. This ends the isolated session and prevents further data accumulation. If you still see saved logins or site data, go to Settings Safari Clear History and Website Data or Clear Site Data from Privacy Preferences on Mac OS. If private mode won't open or cookies persist, restart Safari or reboot the device. That resolves most glitches. If problems remain, double-check iCloud Safari Sync isn't reintroducing history across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.